been playing around with geometry nodes, and this is a very quick explanation of how I've created this pencil scene. So we've got a whole bunch of geometry nodes here, creating instances of this pencil over here, which if you edit it, will edit the points on the mesh on the instances. I've got a blue emission light over here, a green emission sphere light over here, spotlight, and there's a direction light as well over here. The random colors for the pencils is being driven by various different materials, one for the wood and one for the color, which is the surface outside color, and the pencil interior color, which are one and the same. The way that the different colors are randomly created is with this object info node. Random color, color ramp, base color, simple. And the geometry nodes are, you kind of start off here. You've got your group input here at the beginning. This is the output. This joins the plane that these pencils are sitting on. If you don't join the geometry, then the plane does not become visible. It's probably not even visible in the render, but there you go. That's what that node's for. So what you do is you create a point distribute node. The distance value here is how far in between the pencils they can be placed, how much space there could be between them. Density is pretty self-explanatory. It's how dense, how many pencils there are, or whatever your objects are. The randomize node uses the scale attribute, and the way that you can target just the Z value to lower. In fact, I'm going to jump over to material preview to see this better. To randomize the scale of on the Z-axis is using a vector attribute here for the attribute randomize. That goes into here, which uses rotation, which just slightly randomizes the rotation so that the obviousness of the fact that the same texture is being applied across every single one, pretty much, for the wood, is a little bit more hidden. And that goes into the geometry node here, which is the point instance is the thing that's creating all the pencils, which is using this, which is there, pencil, that one. And that's it. Render that out. Jobs are good. Cheers. Hope that was useful to somebody.